Diamond, strong and stylish. Installing moldings. Installing moldings onto concrete surfaces. Nowadays, there are strong adhesive materials, such as nail power and polyurethane. Diamond moldings may be fixed onto concrete surfaces by applying a nail power adhesive on the back of the molding. Then, press the diamond molding treated with adhesive against the concrete surface. Use a rubber hammer to ensure better adhesion. If extra adhesion of the molding on concrete is required, insert plastic plugs and secure with 30 mm flashing screws at 60 cm intervals. If installing moldings onto lightweight walls, such as diamond or gypsum board, apply epoxy glue to the back of the molding before sticking to the surface. Use 28.5 mm diamond self-tapping screws to fix the moldings at 60 cm intervals. This is the point where the surface frame provides support, enabling stronger adhesion. Diamond, strong and stylish.